everyone, it's Linda, your Norwex consultant, and I'm here today to talk about cleaning your shower. Now, we all hate cleaning the shower, the bathroom in general, but Norwex has some great products to make cleaning your shower much simpler, quicker, greener. So, of course, we all love the EnviroCloth. So that is, again, your everything cloth. Norwex also just came out with the Enviro Scrub. See a scrubby side here, EnviroCloth on this side. These come in a 3-pack. These are brand new, just came out in August. Love this cloth because it fits the hand really nice. So you can try just using this in water because we know Norwex works great with just water. But if you have a little tougher surfaces, soap scum, if people are still using soap in the shower, you might get a little soap buildup. So Norwex has bathroom cleaner. Love this, highly concentrated. I use this in the toilet with the toilet brush to clean. I also dilute it in a bottle with water. 1 ounce of this to 7 ounces of water. Just spray it on your surface. You can let it sit for a little while and really work in. And then it's just cleaning it with this and then rinsing it down. Now, if that doesn't work, another product you might want to try is the descaler. So this comes with, it's in a spray bottle already. You can do it in a foam. With this, it'll come out in a foam, or you can open it up and it's more of a spray. Let it sit, and then you can scrub it and then rinse it. How easy is that? These 2 products are awesome. All 3 products. We love Norwex. So think about it. Ask any questions. I'm here to help.